So ayun mga sismars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, another unboxing naman tayo ng isang Android phone. So please bear with me if by any chance na medyo very light lang naman na maingay kasi as you can see, ayan, nasa Baywalk kami right now. And I'm with my daughter na napakabait. Ayan. So, let's go na mga sismars and let's open the box and let's check kung ano ba ang inclusion no. So, itsura ng ating Samsung A16 5G. So, we purchased this one sa online. This is 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. This is gold mga sismars. Ayan. A16 5G. So, open na natin siya. Ayan. So, tatabi muna natin si unit and then let's check first yung ating inclusion sa box. So, we have here the pin eject tool or pin ejector as you can see. Sa loob, we have here the Type-C to Type-C charging cord. My favorite port pagdating sa Samsung, ito yung kanilang Type-C to Type-C charging port. We have Samsung Care also and a manual. So far yun lang naman yun ang ating inclusion sa box. Open na natin yung ating Samsung. Here. Ayan, may mga gumagalaw na pagkain. Kasi kumakain kami dito. So, slide lang natin si unit. And then, ito yung ating right corner. We have the power button and volume locker. Bottom part, we have the speaker, microphone. Sa left corner, we have the SIM tray. Ayan. Then, sa upper corner, we have the SIM tray. The microphone also. Ayan. So, check na natin yung tsura ng ating unit. Nagka-camera mode dyan and also yung kulay. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. So, ayan yung ating camera module. We have 3 lens. Okay. So, ang ganda ng kulay niya. But, this one is glossy finish. So, prone ito sa mga micro scratches and also sa fingerprint. Ayan o. Sa dumi. Ayan. Pero, if you're going to tilt the unit, may sort of effect tayo na makikita. And this one is good. Para siyang light, para siyang pale na yellow yung color ng niya, gold, light something, lightest color of gold or yellow, ganun yung kulay niya. So we have Samsung brand. So open na natin to and then set up ko kayo. And while we're doing that one, again mga sismars, nabili namin to sa online. Amount din ng 7,000 pesos pero originally this is worth 14,000. Parang gusto ko to lab. Ang ganda. Ganda nga niya oh. Parang iPhone. So check na natin yung settings. Nakapag-set up na tayo mga sismars. Okay. Grabe ang smooth ng niya. Very smooth. Okay. About phone tayo. Ayan. Okay. Dito talaga ako na-intriga sa camera. Oh, okay. Ganda din ang camera niya. Fairness ha. So, abangan nyo mga sismars yung camera review natin dito in full review. So, yun lang naman yung ating unboxing with the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Again, mga sismars, mabibili nyo po ito online. This is worth 7,000 pesos pero originally, this is 14,000. If you want to purchase this, just click the yellow basket down below.